So here we've got the 4Runner. It's a 2016 Toyota 4Runner. It is the SR5 Premium Edition. It's not the Off-Road Edition or the TRD Pro, just plain old SR5 Premium. But let's go see the radio build. First, we'll start with the antenna. Got the antenna mount right here in the back of the car. Yeah, it just kind of sits right there. I originally had it up on the hood, but we'll get to the cabling in a second. But because of some cabling difficulties, I had to mount it here on the back. But yeah, it's nice and snug. I tighten up some of these bolts. I think I need to tighten up this bolt right here. It'll focus there, but just need to tighten this up so that it doesn't have this little wobble anymore. But otherwise, it's solid. Not going anywhere. And here is the radio. Right now it's not mounted on anything. Maybe at some point I'll get a mount, but just as a quick temporary placement, it's right here. It's all, it can come out in and out. I actually kind of like it though, because then I can remove it and put it in my lap and adjust it. But this is the Yaesu FTM-510D. It was recommended to me by folks at Ham Radio Outlet. They say buy once, cry once, so that's what we decided to do. Now let's pop the hood. Yeah, the hood popped open now. Here we go. And just come up, come on. There we go. Alright, now got the battery hooked up. Obviously power is red, ground is black, but what took me the longest to accomplish was getting through this firewall. Focus here. But you see these cords where they enter down there? Trying to get these cords through that hole took way longer than I thought, and yeah, wasn't fun. I got some good scratches on my hand. I'm trying to get underneath the wheel and trying to access that from the cabin was just a little nightmare, but we got it done. Definitely what took the longest though is getting these wires all the way up in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. I'm not sure the camera's going to be able to capture it, but there's like a little cloth piece that I had to cut open. There's another YouTube video that I saw that has a better like description on how to access that, but what you do is from the front, there's a little rubber grommet that you take out and then exposes the hole from the firewall to the cabin, and getting access from the cabin through that hole was a pain, but eventually we got it. Oh, we freaking did it. Wires through. So what I had to do is I grabbed this tubing, stuck the tubing in there, tried to shove these wires up through the tubing and out here, but that wasn't getting work. They were getting like twisted and stuck, and so I was like, you know what? Why don't I tape the wires to the freaking tubing and pull the tubing out? Because if they're getting stuck in the tubing, they're not coming out, and they're protected by the tubing. So finally. And then as far as the transceiver goes, right now we've got it all tucked up underneath the driver's side, but sits under there, nice and snug. I have to say though, my favorite part is looking at this antenna in the back of the 4Runner. It's pretty cool. But let's see where those wires go. Don't mind the truck. I've got 3 dogs to care for, but as you can see, the antenna comes out, goes up there. I've kind of decided to temporarily put it up there. Like I said, everything's pretty temporary right now because I just was focused on getting the install. Cable management will come later, but as comes up, gonna put it up there to get it out of the way, put it around the dog fence. It comes over here on this side. Here's the wire here. Sorry, it's pretty dark. Here's the wire here. And then it kind of feeds down and under here. And then it goes under this flab here. So there it is. There it is. Yeah. and then it goes right into the transceiver. But yeah guys, that's the build for my Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. I'm very new to vlogging, so hopefully I'll get better as I get more practice in. My call sign is KJ5LXP. To make another video soon. Bye guys.